Hello, it's Anne. Someone in one of my coaching groups posted this website, and I thought it was a really interesting video because it's an example of marketing for really high-end products. And one of the complaints that we hear a lot from people trying to develop their own business is that people aren't prepared to pay the price for the time it takes to make handmade items, okay? And so this one here is an example of a really high-end product that you would say people will not want to pay more than $5 for. Okay, these are greeting cards and or even business cards. Okay, and you really need to watch the introductory video. I'm not going to play it now in its entirety because it would just take too much time. So you can just, I'll put the link below this video. Oh, and by the way, just like this video and subscribe to my channel to know when I post more videos. Okay, but this is a perfect example of marketing for really high-end products. Okay, so let's go, for example, to the Christmas cards here. And so these are hand gilded, they are hand painted, they are they even incorporate Swarovski crystals or stones. They're made really in the spirit of miniature, you know, the Middle Ages illustration, which were already very expensive at the time. And this is what the video explained. And so I'm going to pick this one here, which is the gilded peacock. So of course it's a big greeting card, and it's decorated with 24 karat gold here and with Swarovski crystals here. And okay, do you have an idea of the price? No, you don't. Okay, so let me scroll down and see this. So the price for this one and this one greeting card is $425. So yes, there is a market for really high-end things. Of course, you have to watch the video to understand how they make these. And you can see they present it in a beautiful handmade box also, which is made from silk. So everything about it, from the marketing to the presentation to everything, is very high-end, okay? And obviously, if it exists, it's because it sells. There is a customer base for that. The interesting thing about these is that because it ties to an earlier video that I did regarding one-of-a-kind items and versus series, okay, is that on this website you mostly have limited editions. And in the other video I did in French. I'm not completely sure I have done it also in English. If not, I will make another one in English, but you can also watch the French one with the English subtitles. I was saying that most people who do one-of-a-kind have a really difficult time to make a profitable business in the long run, and so doing small series is usually a good idea, if only because it makes you more familiar with the products, and every time you do something that you've done already, you do it faster, and though it's more profitable for you. And this is the case here, even with these really high-end business cards and greeting cards here. You can see that they offer limited editions. So it means there is a limited number of these, but it means that they will remake them, okay? And here the edition number is 250. So it's a limited edition, yes, but it still is a large number. So I guess if you do this 250 times, you will do it a lot faster than if you only do one, okay? But I encourage you, and just okay, to watch the video and see, because it's a perfect example of really high-end marketing. Okay, it emphasizes the high craftsmanship and the material, the precious materials used, and so it is possible to do that. Okay, and so let's just look at the business and calling cards here. So here they are. They sell them for $495 for 10 cards. Okay, so of course not everybody can afford that, so it's marketed to a small group of people. But it doesn't mean that because you're doing business cards or greeting cards, you can go high end, okay? And that was my point. Okay, and so that's all for today. Really go and watch this video because it's really very, very well done. Whether you like the product or not, this is not the point. The point is really to talk about the marketing, okay? And oh, don't forget, next week we the class of my mentor Cara Bunting opens on October 9 for a few days. The class is entitled Etsy, no, not Etsy, not anymore, eShop Success, and it's really about everything you need to know to make, to bring traffic to your eShop. And it's really the best class that I've tested. I'm an affiliate, so yes, I recommend it, and if you buy it, I do get something. But I wouldn't recommend it if I weren't completely convinced that it's the best class ever. And I'm even, okay, no, maybe I shouldn't talk about that right now, but it's the class I would have wanted to have put together if I were going to do it myself, which I won't be, okay? So really take a look. I'll also put a link there. It's not open yet, so you won't be able to purchase it right away, but you'll get to a page which tells you exactly what's in it. Cara really knows what she's talking about. She does a lot of research and experimenting in her own shop. She has, I think, something like 20,000 sales in her Etsy shop. I don't want to say something wrong, but I think it's that. And really, you have to check it out. Okay, maybe you're not ready to buy it. That's okay, but at least check it out. Okay, so see you later. Bye.